I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select WP Webhooks. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the WP Webhooks dashboard. Then navigate to the automation. Create flow. Give here meaning flow's name. Edit it. Choose a trigger. Webhooks. Continue. Copy the trigger URL and paste it on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose payload application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Then go to your WP Webhooks site. Continue and save it. Choose data type. Get log data. Choose a log. Here is the executed data. Finish trigger. Choose an action. I am choosing WordPress. Choose an action. Create user. Continue. Now map the respective fields. Continue and save fields. Choose a data type. Fire actions. Action fired successfully. Finish action. Scroll up and set the status as active. And save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. It appears that the user has been created successfully in WordPress. Thanks for watching.